everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make Aquarium Field Trip Bento box. My son went to aquarium from his kindergarten, so I decided to make this bento box. It's very easy to make in the busy morning, and also it's very easy for kids to eat outside with their friends, which is an important point. I hope you find this idea helpful and I hope you can try it out. As I always say, when you make character bento box, rough sketch is always helpful. Do you know red sausages? In Japan, many people use this to make octopus. You can microwave them, but they open beautiful in boiling water. Now if you remember this, I once used it on my channel. It's Kawaii baby Penguin Onigiri rice bowl. I'm going to use Deco Furi rice seasoning to color the rice into blue. Because I couldn't find a mold, I'm going to use plastic wrap to make a well. Usually for the field trip, kids are suggested to bring easy-to-eat bento lunchbox. So this simple bento lunchbox is just perfect. Any side dishes kids like are okay. And now it's done, cute yet delicious. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So. よかった。ママね、昔それ嫌いだったんで、今も食べたことないんだけど。昔赤いタコをね、幼稚園の時ママ残してポケットの中に入れて持って帰ったぐらい嫌いだったの。飛び出しましょう。で、全部いいな。出て。出てきた。魔法でしょ。今クジラなもんね。水族館で食べれる？食べれます。チャンネル登録お願いします。